Hey everyone, it's your girl Four Wheel Fitness, and I am here to help kick off the beginning of our month of June Roller Skate to Liberate challenge month to learn how to roller skate, learn how to dance skate, achieve those distance skate goals, all while learning about human trafficking and becoming more educated about that subject. So I am so excited, guys. I want to go ahead and get started. And the very first lesson, so I'm going to be teaching you kind of beginner roller skating tips and tricks, but then also some beginner fitness skating tricks and tips. So what we're going to do first, the first question that I get when I'm teaching lessons is, hey Nicole, I'm down on the ground right now and I've just put my skates on. How do I get up? So let me show you a couple of little tips and tricks that I use to get up off of the ground safely. So first of all, I'm gonna cross my right over left. I'm gonna come to my side. I'm gonna come up on my hands and knees flat. I'm gonna place my left skate down on all four wheels, and then I'm gonna do the very same thing with my right skate. And from there, I'm just gonna slowly kind of roll myself up. And I'm always, guys, always going to keep my knees soft. I'm never gonna buckle my knees. So my knees are always gonna be soft and I'm gonna be in a squatting position. So now, to get back down to the ground safely to take my skates off, I will do the same exact motions, just kind of in reverse order. So I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna put my toe stop down on my right foot, then on my left. I'm gonna swing over to my side, and I'm gonna put my skates down on the ground. So we'll get back up again, and then I'm gonna show you our first trick to getting rolling. So getting back up, remember, we're gonna cross right over left. We're gonna go onto our hands and knees, put our left skate on all four, right skate all four, and we're gonna slowly, or in my case, quickly pop up, roll up into our soft knees. So there we go. That is the first hurdle. Once you've put those skates on and you're sitting down on the ground and you're ready to stand up, there you go. The next thing I'm gonna teach you is one of my most favorite just get rolling moves, and it's called bubbles. So with bubbles, what you are doing is you're literally pushing your feet out and pulling them back into the center. So again, I'm making a bubble by using the inside and the outside edges of my skates. These are my inside edges and these are my outside edges. So first I'm pushing out onto my outside edges and then I'm pulling in, coming into my inside. Out, inside edges, out, in. And you can use bubbles to also go backwards. Bubbles work going backwards as well. But just to get moving, you see my knees are very soft. I'm almost, standing bent. And I'm just making these little motions with my feet. And I'm paying attention to when I'm coming out, I'm on the out, in, I'm on the in. Out, I'm pushing to the outside. In, I'm pushing to the inside. So those are bubbles, my friends. To see them a little bit more slowly, all I'm doing is I'm starting with my knees soft. I'm pushing out, spreading my legs out, and then pulling in with my inside edges and coming back in. So it's out and in, out and in. And it's the same exact movement, pushing outside, pulling in, if I'm going backwards. So I can do my bubbles going backwards. And guys, there is no real right or wrong. If you're moving, great. That's what you want to do. You also, once you start moving, you want to start recognizing where you're feeling your feet when you're doing these bubbles and going in and coming out. And there we go. So we've got our bubbles. And remember, if I want to go ahead and get back down to the ground, I'm going to put my fingertips to my toe plugs or my toe stops, hands down to the side, and there we go. Pull my skates out in front of me. And if I want to get back up, remember, right over left. I'm going to come up onto my knees, hands on the ground. First four, second four, roll it up. And there you go, guys. So there's your first lesson in roller skating from your girl, Four Wheel Fitness. And you have many more lessons to come. So I hope you enjoyed it. Keep rolling. Big shout out to Roller Skate to Liberate for doing this month. I'm super excited for all the other challenges and to see the other skaters too. Have a good one, guys.